Zyphra Zonos version 0.1 is a leading open-weight text-to-speech model trained on more than 200,000 hours of varied multilingual speech, delivering expressiveness and quality on par with, or even surpassing, top TTS providers. With the Docker container of Zyphra, you can just add your reference voice, spin it up, and start cloning your voice with ease via a REST API. Just start Docker Desktop, open your shell, and enter. Docker-compose space up, and that's all. Install Postman, and download the Git repository with the Postman script. Start playing with the API, and when you are ready, start implementing it. Always remember, use AI in an ethical and responsible way. Now let's listen to some other voice samples.
This is your substitute teacher, Keegan Michael Peel. I don't want to see any funny stuff today.
This is one of nature's most fascinating but also most impactful creature. Whether it is positive or negative needs to be seen.
We are in different locations. We are not in the jungle anymore. We are in the desert and we are in snow. Jumanji was for me. Karen Gillan. A really wonderful experience.
Hello, this is Chelsea Peretti. I am, of course, the best actor in Brooklyn 99. Why do you even doubt?
Hello, this is Kristen Shaw. The other night was this huge explosion because I was trying pasta with antipasta.